I love these stands. Sharpal makes good products. These fit, I think, 8 by 3 or just smaller stones. So they work great for these. They come with the one magnetic angle guide, so it magnetizes to the stone itself, and it comes with the other angle guide, and they pop into place right here, so pop in pretty good. And this just has grip on the other side if you don't want to, it'll stay pretty good. But I love that they pop into place perfectly. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay. Yeah, not going anywhere. They could fit probably 2 stones. I only have one and a strap underneath. I keep my straps with my stones in there. But also, I heard some people complaining that they're hard to open. But, I mean, with one hand, yeah. But actually, no, not really. Especially if you have a stone in there already, you just lift up on the tab and it comes open. If you're going to use it for storing, you don't want it to just flop open. But I can pretty easily open it with one hand. So, no problem there. When you're sharpening, they don't move. I move the whole table before I move the stand. Great purchase, would highly recommend.